I guess this will be question 5. I guess, yeah. Mm, So this one is Q5. So how do I calculate the angle between two vectors? So angle between two vectors. Um, First we'll go with the definition here. So let's say we have two vectors. A vector which is a1, a2, an. Then we have b vector which was b1, b2, and then b1, b2, bn. So to find the angle between them, we use the geometric definition, or we use the definition of dot products of vectors. So it says that a dot b, or the dot product of a vector, is magnitude of a times magnitude of b times cosine of theta, where theta is nothing but angle between them. So I'll just explain you with an example. So let's say I have a vector a which is 2i plus 3j plus 4k, and let's say b is what should be b? Let's say b is 3i plus 10j minus 13k. So first we need the LHS part, which is the dot product. So we'll go for a dot b. For a dot b, so if you are not good with dot products, then it is I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1, and I cross j is 0. Sorry, I dot j, I cross j is k. So I dot j is 0, j dot k is 0, and I dot k is 0. So we just multiply I, the constant of item, with the constant of the other I. Like here I'll just multiply 2 with 3 only. If I multiply 2 with 10, then I dot j will give me 0, so I won't be operating that. So dot product will be 2 into 3 plus, again here I dot I is 1, so I'm not going to write this one also. This will be 3 into 10 plus, this will be 4 into negative of 13. This will become 6 plus 30. This will be probably minus 4 into 13. It should be 52, yup. And this will become 36 negative of 16. So our a dot b is negative of 16. Now we'll go for the magnitude of both the vectors, because according to this formula we need magnitudes of both of them. So for magnitude, um, it is nothing but square root of um, 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square So 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, and then square root of answer. So it is 5.385. And then we have the second one, which is B, and that will be um, where was I? Yep, that will be 3 square plus 10 square, and that is plus minus 13 square will be positive only, doesn't matter. So it will become 3 square plus 10 square plus 13 square, square root of answer, and that is 16.673. 16.673. Now I'll just go with the formula. So cosine of theta will be a dot b over magnitude of a times magnitude of b. So that will become a dot b was negative 16. Obviously this angle, I think this angle is going to be in either second quadrant or either fourth one, because theta is going to be negative here, and this is 5.38 into 16.673. This is 5. This is into 5.385. This will be negative of 16 over 89.7858. So minus 16. No, 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 no. Minus 16 divided with answer, it will give me cosine of theta will be negative of 0.1782. Then I can take cosine inverse on both these sides, then theta will become cosine inverse of negative of 82. Then cosine inverse, yep, cosine inverse of negative of 0.1782, that is 100.264 degrees. So it can be something like this was one vector, let's say a vector, and let's say 90 will be this, so this was b vector, and the angle between them was 100.264 degrees. So basically in this way we can use the property of dot product, or we can just use the formula of dot product, solve it for cosine theta, then find the um, dot product, find the magnitude, put it in the equation, and do the cos inverse on both the sides, and definitely you will be end up with the angle between them. And in cases where the um, angle between them is 0 degree, in those cases you will get this the a dot b, I think you will get no, 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 a dot b over magnitude of a and magnitude of b will be 1. Basically a dot b will be equal to the sum of these magnitudes, and obviously we'll get cos theta equal to 1 when theta is equal to 0. So like vectors are aligning with each other, or they have the same direction. So I guess this was question number 5. And yeah, that is all for this question also. So correct answer. Good work. We'll be going with question 6.